Hi, good day. I will have a video tutorial about physics and I have three questions and I will answer it and explain it to you.
Which has the greater momentum? An airplane parked in a hangar? Or a car going down a hill, and why? If an object is moving in any reference frame, then it has momentum in that frame. It is important to note that momentum in one frame of reference but a different amount in another frame. The amount of momentum that an object has depends on two physical quantities, the mass and the velocity of moving object in the frame of the reference. In physics, the symbol for the momentum is usually denoted by a small bold p. So this can be written equal p equal mv, where p is the momentum, m is the mass, and v is the velocity. The airplane is parked, as in not moving, so has no momentum. The car is going, as in moving, uphill, on flat, or downhill, all the same, it is moving, so has momentum. Thus, the one moving has the greater momentum, the car.